how to open Google Maps from WhatsApp in iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, open the WhatsApp app on a mobile device and then navigate to the conversation where you have the location shared with. So now what happens is whenever you tap on the location, then it will navigate you to the Apple map in iPhone. So in order to change it to the Google map, firstly let's tap on this location. So once you tap on it, you can see you have been navigated to the Apple map. Now in order to change it to the Google map, simply tap on the share icon available in the bottom left corner of your screen. And after you tap on the share icon, you will get to see open in Google map option available there. Tap on it and you'll be navigated to the Google map. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.